This is something that it seems like it should be easy to do, but I think that it's really taking a moment, step back, and if you're not living by yourself, then take a survey of your household. Figure out those people that are using these spaces, how can you use them? And I think that how are they being used? So not just by your assumption, but also by just that acknowledgement from someone else how they're using it. Consider the practicability of a multi-purpose rooms. We find that a lot of times what you might think could easily be, crammed into the use of a space, you want to make sure that it honors the other activity or the other person. So if someone's playing ping pong in a room and you love the ping pong table and that's what you're trying to garner, if someone's doing a work from home situation there, that's probably not going to work out if those schedules cross over. So it's just really, again, thinking about how do you determine the space that you're going to use, and then also just the sensibility of these materials that you're going to place in this room. If it truly is something that, has a high function, then you also want it to last. And when we kind of talk about this, and that you don't really want to be buying disposable furniture. And so you want to think about if it's a dining table and you're trying to update your dining space, but it's also a workspace, or maybe it's the home workspace. You want to make sure that it can hold up to all of that wear and tear that comes throughout the day, but also last you, for a good amount of time. And just, keep in mind that, you're buying for the future, not just for today's problem, but you're trying to solve for the end result. And a lot of times what that means is you just got to hold off. But I think that's a big piece of I think the function always comes first, and then pretty comes last. So it's really easy to add in your personality and all those moments that give you your style that you want.